How to log into your HelloFresh account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can log into our HelloFresh account. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first is you may just download the HelloFresh application onto your device, which is easily available on any of the app store. After that, you'll be able to see this HelloFresh on your screen. So what you're gonna do is simply launch the application. After launching, it may take a second, but after that you'll be easily able to see sign in and login option. So if you already have an account, you just need to log in. Click on login, and if you have created your account with Google, continue with Google, continue with Facebook if with Facebook. Otherwise, if you have created with the email, just continue with email and enter your password, and you should be easily able to log in. And if you have any verification process, you may just receive a code, enter the code, and you should be logged in into your account very easily. Or if you don't have an account, you may just sign up, go to sign up, and go on with the process of creating an account. After your account is created, just go to login and enter your login credentials, and you should be able to easily log in into the HelloFresh account. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.